If you want to make lots of money quickly, call options might be what you're looking for, but only if you understand how they actually work. Let's fix that right now. So now it's finally time to take a look at the call option. And in other words, this is when you bet that the price will increase in value. So what is a call option? Well, you buy a call option if you are bullish, or in other words, you think or you believe that the price of something will go up in value. So you might buy a call option if you believe that Tesla will go up in value, or you might buy a call option if you believe Nvidia will go up in value, and so on and so on. And here, buying a call option, what does that mean? Well, it means you have the right to buy 100 shares or 100 stocks. Remember, one contract is pretty much or tends to be 100 of something. So it gives you the right to buy, for example, 100 Tesla stocks at the strike price and before the expiration date. So you will profit if the stock price rises significantly above the strike price, and it needs to be enough to cover your premiums. So let's say here that the strike price, let's say we have a stock right here, we have a graph. I will show you later on in this video more precise, but let's say that the strike price here is 100 of a stock. If you buy an option with a strike price of 100 and then the stock goes above 100, far above 100, it means that if you hold this option, you have the right to buy the stock down here while the price is all the way up here. So, exercising this option means that you can buy the stock for much lower than the current price and as a result make money. So for call options, the max loss is the premium you paid for the call option. This is your total risk when buying. And the potential profit is actually, in theory, unlimited because, a stock can go up to, there's no limit to how far a stock or even cryptocurrency or forex pair can go. So you have a limited downside but unlimited upside, and this is one of the features that makes options so attractive to many people. But all right, so now let's take a look at a call option trading example, a very simple one, step by step. So let's say that you buy one call option of stock XYZ. This is just a placeholder, a random stock. And let's say that the strike price is $50 and you paid $2 per share, or in other words, $200 per contract. Always remember this multiplied by 100 because the contracts tend to be 100. This is something we options traders just need to ingrain in our heads. So here, what is our break-even point? Well, this is when the strike price plus the premium is 50 plus $2 equal to $52. So we don't make profit until the stock XYZ goes above $52, right? So here you actually have an interactive tool I have created right here. So you can see that how much profit are we making as the stock price moves. So right now, when the price is at $55, so XYZ stock is at $55, you can see that our current price, our current profit here is $3 per share, or in other words, $300 per contract. But now let's say that the stock is actually down here at $50. Now you can see that even though the stock price is at the same level as the strike price, right? We have the stock price is the same as the strike price. We still lose $2 per share. And this is because what we pay for the actual option. This is the premium we pay. So here, so yeah guys, this is a very useful tool, and if you want to get access to this tool and this whole presentation, I will make sure to release this full presentation for all our YouTube channel members. If you didn't know, we have an amazing community right here on YouTube where I share, some bonus material like exclusive videos, like tools, like this one we're playing with right now, and so on and so on. And at the same time, you support the channel. So if you want to get access to this and so many other presentations and tools, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking join down below. Alright, so this video was actually just a very short clip from our full options guide right here on YouTube. To watch the full guide, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very, very soon.